Welcome to another session in this course. I am going to be teaching you how to use the where clause to filter our dataset in Mysql. I am also going to be teaching you comparison operators, how we can use it with the where clause. And then I will be teaching you the between operator and also the not operator. I will teach you how to combine all of this together even on the date time, data type. This query on our workbench is going to show us all the records in the orders table. Let us run it. But majority of the time, you will not want to get all the records in your table. You want to filter it. Let's say in this particular scenario, what we want to do is that we want only the records where the duration length is fast. How do we do that? That is where the where clause comes in. We use the where clause to filter our data. Now, where the duration length is here, we can say that duration length, let's say, equals fast. When we write this will only return those records where the duration length is fast. So let us run it. You can see now that if you look at the duration length, let me bring this up. You can see that everything here is fast. That is how we use our where clause to filter our data. But the thing is that if you want to use the where clause, you will need to use the comparison operator. And one of them is the equal to. Let's say here the other value is more than 40. Let's say where other value is greater than 40. When we run this, these are the records where the other value is more than 40. We can use different comparison operators such as greater than, equals to, greater than alone, less than, equals to, and so on and so forth. Another operator that I want you to be aware of is the between operator. So the between operator are the value from the lowest to the maximum value. Let's say that other value between 100 and 200. You can see that it's going to be from 100 to 200. If I click on this to run it, you will see that if we check our other values, it's going to be from anything between 100 to 200. This between operator can make the work easier for you if you are working between numbers. It can also work for integers. For example, let's look at the order ship date here. This is the order ship date. If we want to get values between June and August, we just say between 2016, because if you check our date column, the order ship date column is 2016. In SQL, you write the year first, and it has to be in this particular format where hyphen is between them. So we are looking at between June and August. So this will go for if I run this now, it's only going to give me record from June to August. So let's run it. If we look at our other ship dates, you can see that this is July, this is June, and you won't see anything beyond August. You can use the between with numeric data, and you can also use it with the date data. Let us look at the not operator. For example, if I put not here, this not is going to negate everything here. So which means that what I will be having is going to be values that are not within this particular condition. If I run this now, you will discover that we are not going to be having anything from June to August, that is June and July record, because this is ending at the 1st of August. The not operator can be used to do this kind of a negation, because if you want to write it in full, you will have to write for January, February, March, April, and like 10 months out of 12 months. But by using the not operator, you can just take 2 months out and then just negate it using the not operator. So in short, this query is going to return every record for the year apart from the record of June and the record of July. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification icon, and like our videos. Until we meet in the next one.